Today, I'm checking out Creao.ai. This is a tool that allows non-technical folks to build real functional apps by simply describing what you want. It takes care of all the heavy lifting behind the scenes. So let's give it a try. After sign up, I landed right into their dashboard. I like that it's clean and simple. I can describe what I want at the top or start with one of their templates. Now, here's a personalized app I want Creao to build for me. We're looking at a public view-only Google Sheet called the Lewis Lin PM Question Bank. It is a repository of actual interview questions that other job seekers received in their interviews. Instead of checking it manually every now and then, I want to build an automation that checks its sheet every day, finds any new questions added in the last 24 hours, and email them to me. Now let's go back to Creao and build the app. I intentionally left out details such as the Google Sheet URL to see how it would respond. After submitting the prompt, it immediately recognized that this app requires integration. And it actually recommended Google Sheets and Gmail. That was pretty cool. Then, it puts together the plan and asked for my approval. I like that it provides this transparency. After I approved the plan, it jumped into implementing without asking for crucial details, such as, do I own this Google Sheet? What does it include? What happens if there's no new question added to the sheet? What time should we send the email every day? I was sitting there and thinking it's either super smart and can read my mind, or it's going to build something useless. The waiting period was grueling. There was no progress bar, no interim deliverables. I started scrolling up to read the outputs, but the interface kept auto-scrolling me back to the bottom. I lost my patience after staring at the screen for 5 minutes and navigated to something else I was looking at. 18 minutes later, the project finally completed. I went back to Creao to check the work. Creao built this dashboard that I wasn't really asking for. Don't get me wrong, it looked nice and professional, but it completely misinterpreted my core requirement. I needed it to monitor a specific public view-only Google Sheet. Instead, it wanted me to connect my personal Google Sheets. When I tried to give follow-up instructions to fix this, it wouldn't let me. The project was marked complete, and that was that. Now, let's summarize. Creao promised me that it can build apps with just prompts. The reality is, yes, it built something, but it's not what I asked for. For time to value, I think 18 minutes of waiting wasn't too long, but no visibility into the progress was rough. In terms of the ease of use, I think it's pretty clean and straightforward. I typed what I want, clicked approve, and wait. Is it worth the price? I don't think so. It's hard to justify paying for something that misinterprets my requirements with no way to fix it. Lastly, let's end this product review with 3 recommendations. Number 1, proactively follow up with the user to clarify requirements from the outset. Number 2, break down the projects into smaller phases and show users the progress. Number 3, keep the user in loop so that they can provide continuous feedback and course correction. Thanks for watching. Let me know if there are other products you would like me to try in the comments below.